Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure passive income with Zelle, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start securing passive income with Zelle, first, ensure you have a bank account that supports Zelle. Download the Zelle app if your bank's mobile app doesn't include it. Create an account by following the on-screen prompts, entering your email or mobile number. Once your account is set up, link your bank account to Zelle. Next, decide on the passive income strategy you want to pursue. Consider options such as affiliate marketing, online course sales, or freelance services that you can market. Create a website or social media presence to promote your products or services. Set up a method for collecting payments through Zelle on your website or social media profiles. Make clear instructions for your customers on how to send payments via Zelle. Once your marketing strategy is in place, begin attracting customers to your offerings. Engage with your audience through regular content updates or promotions. Monitor the income generated through Zelle and ensure you keep accurate records. Adjust your strategies based on feedback and performance metrics to optimize your passive income. Continue to refine your approach as you gain more experience in using Zelle for transactions. Focus on building relationships with your customers to encourage repeat business. Stay informed about industry trends that may impact your income sources. Above all, maintain transparency and trust with your clients to foster loyalty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.